Welcome all to our fourth training program for the promotion. So I welcome Dr. Renjith. He is presenting today Social Security Scheme. The exam aspect, this is one of the important subject. And Dr. Renjith is working as a LDM. He got the practical knowledge. All of you are aware that the very purpose of nationalization itself to provide formal banking to the all sections of the society. So government always promote the social security schemes, and in the exam also many times, and recently more questions will come for this topic. And actually Renjith, we worked together. He has done his PhD in portfolio management. He has worked in ID. We worked together in ID. Then he has headed branch administrative office. Presently he is working as LDM. He always trying to learn. That is his specialty. Whether in ID also he used to study one or other topic, and he has successfully completed his PhD also. So he's he's a good one of the best resource person available today for us. So I request all of you to make use of it. Welcome, Dr. Renjith, and thanks
Thank
on
you.
behalf of Canara Bank Officers Federation.
Thank you.
And Mr. Avijit will be the moderator. So welcome, Avijit. So we can start.
Yes.
Thank you.
We'll start. Thank you, Mr. Bennet and Mr. Avijit, Mr. Sali for this opportunity. Okay, thank you. So we were discussing about the basic objectives of the scheme. That is, first one is banking the unbanked. The second one is securing the unsecured. Then the third one is funding the unfunded. So we can expect a question from this objectives, that is banking the unbanked, securing the unsecured, funding the unfunded. And with regard to the banking the unbanked, the PMJDY account plays an important role. And we are already relaxed the KYC norms to open the zero balance account and all. And the second objective is the securing the unsecured. There comes our main part, that is the social security scheme. So we accident insurance coverage of 2 lakhs rupees. Our second objective is our main topic. And the third and final objective of the scheme is funding the unfunded. So what is this funding the unfunded? Which means other financial product like micro insurance, overdraft facilities are there for the PMJDY account. There comes the Mudra Yojana also. So we are not looking into this funding the unfunded area. We are focusing on securing the unsecured objectives of the scheme. So the basic scheme benefits, the main benefits of this scheme are basic savings bank deposit account, small account or chota khata, RuPay debit card with the input accident insurance, overdraft facility, business correspondent or bank mitras, eligibility for additional government schemes. And this is the Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana, the main aspects which is already mentioned here, and the details are there. And Avijit will share this PPT. You can go through all these things. So I'm not explaining it into the detail. So we'll move ahead. And we will look into the achievements under PMJDY. And the data is as on August 14th, 2014. And the total account in a PMJDY account was as on March 2015, it was only 14.72 crore, which rose to 53.13 crore as on August 2024. And the main beneficiaries of PMJDY account as women, it is more than 55.6% are women beneficiaries. And the deposit, with respect to the deposits in the PMJDY account, it was 15,607 crores in March 2015, which is rose to 2,31,236 crores as on August 2024. And the RuPay debit card, this is one of the important feature of PMJDY account. The debit cards are issued as on March 2015 was 13.15 crore, which rose to 36.14 crore as on August 2024. Now we are coming to our main topic, that is social security schemes. As we know, we already talk about what is Jan Dhan, and now Jan Dhan se Jan Suraksha. That is the second objective of our financial inclusion. And in this chapter, we will discuss about the three social security schemes of the government of India. And there are three social security schemes in the insurance and pension sector. Why we have mentioned that it is in the insurance and pension sector, and which was introduced in the year 9th May 2015. Insurance means two insurance, as we know, PMJDY, PMJJBY and PMSBY, and the pension, which is Adult Pension Yojana. These are the social security schemes: Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana, Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana, and the last one is Adult Pension Yojana. So we will first we will discuss about Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana. And then PMJJBY is an insurance scheme offering life insurance cover for death to any reason. The sentence is very clear about this product. That is, it's an insurance scheme offering life insurance cover for death to any reason. If it is accident, if it is suicide also, this insurance is covered. And the eligible age, I know the people, those who are attending this trainings are much aware about this scheme details and everything, because you are working at the ground level, and we know the target which is already allotted by our banks. So anyway, we will discuss in detail also. And the eligible age for this PMJDY scheme is 18 to 50 years. One question can be asked in this area, and please be note that it is 18 to 50 years for PMJJBY. PMSBY, it is 18 to 70. The question may confuse you with regard to the year. PMJJBY 18 to 50 years. And for this premium, this particular premium area, one question can be asked. While a particular person who is enrolling in June, July, and August, full premium of 436 rupees to be paid. Whereas a person who is enrollment in September, October, or November, pro rata premium of 342 rupees to be paid. Whereas enrollment in December, January, and February, pro rata premium will be 228 rupees. Enrollment in March, April, May, pro rata premium will be rupees 114 rupees. A question can be expected from this area. Maybe the question will be asked like this: enrollment in December, January, and February, what will be the premium under PMJJBY scheme? The answer is 228 rupees. So you all are requested to note all these four enrollment month-wise and quarter-wise enrollment are there, and the premium 436 for the first, second is 342, third is 228, and the last one is 114 rupees. And it is mentioned in a star that is a lean period of 30 days shall be applicable. It is very important in this PMJDY scheme that one person, suppose if today, 23rd October 2024, if I am taking an insurance policy of PMJDY insurance policy, my account will be debited today. Whereas if something goes to me rather than accident, I will get my nominee will get the insurance amount only after 30 days. Suppose if a party today has enrolled, within 10 days, if it is death due to accident, the 2 lakhs rupees will be transferred to the nominee account. Am I clear? And the coverage duration is 1 year, that is from June 1st to May 31st, after paying the annual premium, as per this premium chart provided above. And this is the detail that is the aspect and the details which is we already mentioned. And one point we have to be look into, that is the coverage termination. When the PMJDY insurance. Okay, I will explain. I got the one reply, that is premium to be explained again. So I'm explaining it again. Enrollment in June. You please note that if one person who is enrolling in the month of June, July, and in August, he has to pay a full premium of 436 rupees. Whereas a person who is enrolling in the scheme in the month of September, October, and November. Now is the October is going on. If a person is enrolling in this month, he has to pay a premium of 342 rupees. Whereas a person is enrolling in December, January, and February, he has to pay 228 rupees. Enrollment in March, April, and May, he has to pay 114 rupees. And after that, full premium to be paid on an yearly basis, as we are taking the auto debit facility. We are using the auto debit facility, right? Okay, what is this lien period is that when suppose we have taken a policy, and in this PMJDY scheme, the insurance scheme, it's the first sentence itself, it is very clear that PMJDY is an insurance scheme offering life insurance cover for death to any reason. If it is accident, if it is suicide, if it is murder, anything, any death, the nominee will get 2 lakhs rupees. What is this lien period is 30 days is that suppose a person who is enrolling on this 23 October 2024, the amount will immediately be debited from his SB account, right? And from this date, 30 days one lien period will be there. Only after that, we will get the insurance premium amount. That is the nominee will get the insurance premium amount only after this lien period of 30 days. So one question can be expected in this regard, that is for PMJDY account, what is the lien period? The answer is 30 days. Am I clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we will discuss, we already discussed about the scheme, launch date, we already covered, and the coverage is any death, accident death already I have mentioned here, or any death, it can be covered. A premium is 430 days, and one chart is also we already discussed. And someone has asked the very next day, accident death is he will get the nominee will get the benefit. It is clearly mentioned in the website also. And the coverage is 1 year. When this coverage get terminated, when a member turns 55 years of age, that is nearing birthday, this particular policy will get terminated. The entry age is 18 to 50, but the termination age is up to 55 years. When a bank account closure or insufficient fund is there, this coverage get terminated. Suppose one person, for example, Mr. Sali is having 3 accounts with 3 different banks. Only one coverage he will get. If he has already paid 3 premiums for this particular policy, only one is counted, and the other 2 we will not get the premium paid returned to our account. It will be forfeited. Clear? Eligibility, we already discussed. Any individual holding bank account with a participating bank, that is participating banks, any commercial bank, any bank or post office, that is a participating bank. And the entry age is 18 to 50 years. Auto debit facilities is there. And the main document required is Aadhaar. And it is mandatory to mention nominee details. And as we already mentioned that premium, what premium we have to pay for first, second quarter, third quarter, and fourth quarter. Here also one question can be expected. That is, what will be the commission this bank are getting if a particular person is enrolling in the second quarter? The answer is 22.50. Is that clear? Whether I need to explain the appropriation of premium again? As we know, it's clear, na? Shall I move ahead? Please note that this commission which banks and other participating banks or post offices getting when a new enrollment, not for renewal, only for new enrollment, we are getting this commission. So in PMJDY, any death will be covered. Eligibility age is 18 to 50. The full premium is 436. Appropriation of premium we already discussed. Now we will move on to Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana. And in the first case, PMJDY, appropriation, please explain again. So, okay, I'm going to explain it again. Appropriation of a premium. So when we are taking this PMJDY insurance policy, we need to pay an annual premium of 436 rupees. So we need to pay the insurance premium to the LIC or the insurance company. That is 395 rupees. The commission we are getting while enrolling a new one, that is 30 rupees. The administrative expenses are 11 rupees and the total will be 436 rupees. Suppose a person who is enrolling through any digital media, this 30 rupees, that commission to be paid to the bank or other financial institution or the post office, 30 rupees will be waived from his annual premium. Clear, sir? One question can be expected from this area. What will be the commission to be paid if a particular person is enrolling in the third quarter, where he is paying a premium of 228 rupees? The answer is commission to the bank or the post office is 15 rupees. Am I clear, sir?
Yes,
okay,
sir.
now, Aniket Chauhan, you can ask, sir.
Sir, good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Sir, as you said that only in the first year of enrollment, the commission is applicable. So
Yes,
I think there is no change in the subsequent payment of premium. So this commission amount, where does this go, sir?
So 436 is in the initial stages only, sir. Remaining, so the commission we need not pay. Second
that
year
means
also
that-
they are taking that 436 rupees.
Yes, sir. I think the amount remains the same, sir, all throughout the
For
tenure.
renewal
Sir.
also.
Yes, sir.
So that I need to check once again, sir, because as per my knowledge and as per the Government of India website, or it is clearly mentioned that only for the initial premium we need to collect this commission.
Right.
Okay, I will come back to you.
Right, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. So we'll move on to Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana. Here in this PMSBY, it is an accident insurance scheme that covers accidental death and disability. In the first case, it is accident or any death, it is covered. Whereas in PMSBY, it's only accidental death and disability. Whereas this eligibility age is 18 to 70 years. The premium is 20 rupees per year per member. Coverage duration is 1 year from June 1st to May 31st after paying the annual premium. Here in this case, there is no bifurcation of a premium. There is just 20 rupees only, that if a person is joining on June, September or November or December, he has to pay the premium for 20 rupees. When this termination will happen, member turns 70 years of age, bank account is closed or doesn't have enough fund for this auto debit, this policy will get terminated. So this is the brief explanation again. Scheme name is Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana. Launch date is May 9th, 2015. This may ask which is the date, on which date this PMJDY and PMSBY is launched. The answer is May 9th, 2015. Coverage is accidental death and disability. And in this case, there is no lien period of 30 days because it is covering only accidental and accidental disability. Coverage duration is 1 year from June 1st to May 31st. Coverage termination, we already discussed when a member turns 70 years old, bank account closure or insufficient funds. And the eligibility is individual holding bank account with the participating banks, age is 18 to 70 years, and consent for auto debit. Required document is Aadhaar, and it is mandatory that nomination should be noted. And this particular area, I think it's visible in this. Avijit, is this visible? Benefits and sum insured. Okay, it's visible. Now, if it is a death has happened, the nominee will get 2 lakhs rupees. Whereas total and irrevocable loss of both eyes or loss of use of both hands or feet or loss of sight of one eye and loss of use of hand or foot, again, this party will get only 2 lakhs. If a death happened, nominee will get 2 lakhs. In the second portion, if the party will get, the insured person will get 2 lakhs rupees, the amount will be credited to his account. If irrevocable loss of both eyes or loss of use of both hands or feet or loss of sight of one eye and loss of use of hand or feet, that is 2 lakhs. Whereas total and irrevocable loss of sight of one eye or loss of use of one hand or foot, the insured person will get 1 lakh rupees. So one question can be expected from this area. If it is one hand or one eyesight loss, what will be the sum insured he will get? The answer is 1 lakh. Suppose if it is both, he will get 2 lakhs, and for death, the nominee will get 2 lakh rupees. And this is the appropriation of premium. Insurance premium is 20, commission is 1 rupees, administrative expenses is 1 rupees. So one question can be asked of what is the commission for SBY account? That is answer is 1 rupee. Now we will move on to the Adult Pension Yojana. The scheme name is Adult Pension Yojana, announced in the 2015-16 budget. Yes, tell me so. Only for one. Other premium what you have already paid will be forfeited. Aadhaar based. Only you will get only one premium, only one insurance. So next one is Adult Pension Yojana, which is announced on 2015-16 budget. The main objective is to provide retirement benefits to economically disadvantaged individuals, especially those in the unorganized sector. Eligibility is citizens aged 18 to 40 without any existing pension scheme and not paying income tax, which is very important, which is those who are not paying any insurance income tax who are eligible for this Adult Pension Yojana. The scheme is administered by Pension Fund Regulatory and Development Authority under the National Pension Scheme. So this can be asked, who is the administrator for this Adult Pension Yojana, that is Pension Fund Regulatory and Development Authority. Minimum pension is 1,000 rupees and up to 5,000 rupees per month, guaranteed upon reaching the age of 60. Contribution period is until the subscriber reaches 60 years of age. Suppose a person who has subscribed APY and who is exiting before age of 60, subscribers existing before 60 years can get a refund of their contributions along with net actual accrued income earned after deducting account maintenance charges. So the main document required is some KYC details fetched from the bank or post office savings account. I'm not discussing about one question which can be expected from this is that what is the frequency of amount that is to be paid? That is monthly we can pay, quarterly we can pay, half yearly we can pay. These are three modes we can pay the amount, that is monthly, quarterly and half yearly we can pay the amount. So in this, and I'm not explaining in a detail the age-wise entry and the period and the monthly installments, quarterly installments, and half-yearly installment. If you required, I can share this document which I have downloaded from the government website. So let's discuss about the voluntary exit, which is exit before 60 years, of which we already discussed. And it is that much important that that's why I'm explaining it again. If the subscriber exits before the age of 60, they will be refunded only the contribution to APY along with the net actual accrued income earned after deducting account maintenance charges. However, subscriber who joined before March 31, 2016 and received government co-contribution will not receive the same or the accrued income earned thereon. As we know, before 2016, Government of India is providing 50% of the premium for the 4 years. So now this scheme has been discontinued. So if we are discontinuing before attaining the age of 60, that particular portion we will not get. Suppose in case of death before 60 years, the option 1 is that spouse can continue. This is the 2016 one notification came from the Government of India with regard to this particular point. The spouse can continue contributing to the subscriber's APY account until the subscriber would have turned 60. The spouse will receive the same pension amount until their demise. This is in addition to the any existing APY account and pension amount in the spouse name. And the second option is the entire accumulated pension amount under APY. Yeah, tell me, ma'am.
Sir, you said that
It's not audible.
Sir, you told that spouse will continue to pay the amount, but what amount will she pay? The original subscriber's amount?
Same amount. What his spouse was paying, that amount to be paid by the existing spouse.
Living spouse. And see, what amount will she get? When will she get the amount? When
she or he attains the age of 60.
The living spouse or
Yeah.
The demise spouse?
No. Living spouse.
Living spouse. Okay,
Yeah.
sir. Thank you so much, sir.
And the option 2 is that the entire accumulated pension amount under APA will be returned to the spouse or nominee. These two options he can. Normally, I didn't see anyone who is continuing this pension amount and all. Normally, what they are doing that they will submit the claim form and they will get that amount. That is the nominee will claim the accumulated pension amount under the APO scheme. So again, I'm telling you, I'm not explaining this premium-wise details with related to the age of entry and all. So these three social security schemes we already discussed, and those which I have presented over here has been referred through financialservices.gov.co.in website and jansuraksha.gov.in website. And there is a F&O question also. There it is very helpful, and you just 3 or 4 pages are there. You can download that. If it is not there, you just inform me. I can share to Mr. Avijit. He will share to you in this group. Any questions in this 3 schemes, or else we can wind it. It's already 8:45.
Sir, what is the contribution required to be paid by the customer?
Pardon, I didn't get, sir.
Sir, what is the contribution required to be paid by the customer?
With respect to?
How much amount one has to pay for this getting this pension, sir?
Sir, one chart is there. I will share that chart to Mr. Avijit. He will share to you, because if I am explaining all these things, the time will be very short. Because
Okay.
it will take some more time. This age-wise, I think in branches it is already available. While we are canvassing this scheme, no? We are telling this, so if the particular person is 18 years of age and the vested period, he has to pay this premium for 42 years he has to pay. Suppose if the particular person is taking a APY for 1,000 per month, he has to pay monthly installment of 42 rupees. If he is paying for quarterly basis, he has to pay 125 rupees, and for half yearly basis, 248 rupees he has to pay. Accordingly, the age-wise split up is there.
Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you.
Okay, we will. I think these three schemes. First, main important thing is that PMJJBY, the insurance premium is 436. There is
Hello?
a lien period of 30 days. Insurance premium split up is there. Any death will be covered, and for the second one, PMSBY, only death, accidental death and disability benefits are there, 2 lakhs and 1 lakh rupees, that you have to be very careful. And for this APY also, which we already discussed, and with respect to this APY, the only questions that I am expecting is that is what is the age of 18 to 40 years of age we can expect. That cooling period, that is the lean period, we can expect that question from PMJJBY. If there is no other questions, we can wind it off. And
Sir, one
I
doubt,
wish.
sir.
Yeah, tell me, sir.
Sir, one person having a PMSBY and PMJJBY in one bank.
Okay.
That person died with accident.
Mm.
If you get PMSBY, PMJJBY, both will get, or
Both-
only one he will get?
Both can be. Both he
Both
will get.
will.
Both he
Okay.
will get. If it is accident.
Yes, sir. If it is an accident, he will get both in schemes.
Suppose he has subscribed two schemes, PMJJBY and SBY. He committed
sir.
suicide. He will get only that PMJJBY only.
Okay,
The
sir.
nominee will get.
Yes, sir. If PMJJBY is subscribed in one bank, PMSBY is subscribed in another bank.
No
that,
issues. No issues. Only on the
issues.
basis of Aadhaar.
Yes, sir.
The enrollment is being taken. Suppose if he has paid 3 or 4 premiums for a single policy, one will be considered and the other he will lose. And the government will not return that fund to his account.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Sir, good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Sir, if we debit premium in our bank and already that customer having in another bank, if any accountability is there, sir, not paying for a claim?
I didn't get, sir. I didn't get.
Customer
One person is
having-
having. Okay.
One person is having 2 bank accounts, sir.
Okay.
In another bank, he claimed.
Okay.
Nominee claimed. In our bank, the nominee came and claimed.
Okay.
Claim was rejected due to other bank paid.
There is no accountability, sir, because he is liable. The government or the scheme is liable to pay for only one bank.
Okay.
Sir, I have one question regarding APY, sir.
Yeah, tell me, sir.
Sir, you told that actually the individuals who are paying income tax are not eligible, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
But nowadays everyone is actually applying.
No, sir.
It's not
As per the scheme guidelines, those who are paying income tax are not eligible to apply for APY.
Okay. Nowadays our staffs also are enrolled, no?
No, sir. It's a scheme guidelines. It's clearly stated that those who are paying income tax are not eligible.
Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
And these PMJJBY and PMSBY, NRE can also avail.
Okay.
The death benefit or death claim will be paid in Indian rupee only, not in any other currencies.
Okay.
That question can be asked.
Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Actually, I wanted to add one thing related to APY.
Okay.
Like earlier, sir, this was means even people who were able, we were having that income tax and all that, they were also eligible to apply. I don't recall the date from which the changes were done, but recently, a couple of years back, this circular or these changes came that only the people who are not filing for return or not eligible for means like income tax, they are not coming under that slabs. are only eligible. Before that, whoever had applied and they continue to
They
get
can
this
get it.
benefit. So
They
I
can
also
get it.
do have this APY for
Okay.
me as well as my spouse, and that I on the last date itself when it was going to close, I enrolled. So I remember that. So just for that
That
clarification,
you can
people wanted.
continue. Those who are
Yeah.
already enrolled, they can continue.
Yes, yes, those can continue only from that effective one date. One government has ordered that after that nobody new can enroll those under that. Yeah,
Even
just wanted to add that.
even myself and my spouse has already enrolled, and after this guidelines, we can continue, but I exited from that policy.
Okay, okay. I see, sir.
Sir, matlab actually, if they have enrolled before that effective date, they will get the pension, right?
They can continue.
For them, they will be eligible, even though they are paying income tax.
No problem. They can continue.
Okay, okay. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Regarding APY, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Tell me,
Regarding
ma'am.
APY, sir. If for 2 to 3 months we have enrolled some person, sir, whether we will get back that amount means that person, if within 3 months he or she has closed that account.
You can submit that closure form. He will get it. No interest, but
we
the
can.
amount he has paid, he will get it.
Okay, okay, sir. Thank you so much.
Sir, I have one question, sir.
Yes, tell me, sir.
Sir, I sent one PMJDY.
Sir, it's not it's some disturbances are there, sir.
Sir, I sent murder case, sir, SBY. They rejected. Order is not accident, sir. SBY, I sent murder case. They rejected insurance company.
They have rejected. And
Yes,
in
sir.
one paper, I have read that if it is a murder, also it is considered as an accident and it should be paid. I will cross verify and get back to you. I will give my number. You just send the details to me. I will give it the reply.
Yes, sir. Actually, I sent PM JJBY. I sent PM SBY. So murder not eligible
PMSB, I
like
know.
that. Okay, sir.
Let me check that. I have that guidelines. PMSB, you are talking about. I will verify that, sir, and I will get back to you. And for those who are attending this training session, I will give my number. You can WhatsApp me the queries, not with the related to PMHB or SBY, anything related to promotion and any topic related to the banking or any loan product or anything. You just text me and I will reply back to you. So please note my number. My number is 9495 00 4248, or you can send a voice clip to me. Yes, it is covered. It is covered. Yeah. They can if they require that guidelines, I can provide. It is there.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Actually, I'm in that old branch. I transferred to another branch. That is 1 year. Okay. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Okay.
Avijit,
Thank you,
you
sir.
please share my number. That is 9495 00 4248. Yeah, sure. If they have any doubt relating to loans or any other topic relating to banking, they can contact me. Just WhatsApp me, or a voice clip is enough. That I will send a reply to them.
Sir. Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Sir, actually, I wanted to ask, is there any time period to claim the insurance? Means after the death, how many days we have to claim the insurance?
I think it's I didn't go through that one. I think it's within 45 days.
Both the schemes, sir?
The answer will be shared to Mr. Avijit. I noted down here.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, good evening, friends. Respected Dr. Renjith sir, I know personally from day one. He is always always enthusiastic for knowledge, and on behalf of sincerely on behalf of Canara Bank Officers Federation and on all behalf of all the participants, I just want to say a vote of thanks unofficially, even though he is a friend of mine. So there is no need of thanks in an official manner, but I should express it on behalf of Canara Bank Officers Federation. Sir, each one of the participants have fruitfully utilized your session. Definitely, it will be helping in their fruitful career, your deliberations. So thank you once again on behalf of each and everyone to participate in the session, as well as thank you once again to our Dr. Renjith sir, LDCM Kannur, for delivering this session to the aspirants. Sir, thank you once again. And I think everybody knows that sir is actually a PhD holder in portfolio management, and he's an MBA, he's MCOM, and he's having a lot of certification from Indian Institute of Banking and Finance, and a lot of certification from National Stock Exchange. So a vast and wide knowledgeable person. Any kind of our banking related queries also sir have expressed that he is ready to and expressed his willingness to share his views, or any doubts he can clarify the things later also. So please utilize the opportunity. That's what I have to tell to the all aspirants. So thank you once again for all the participants, and for our Dr. Renjith sir. Thank you, sir.
So I wish all those who are appearing for the exam a very good luck, and thank you. Good night.